Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on my channel. In today's tutorial, I will explain to you step by step how to create a hidden shared folder on Windows 11. This is a useful trick to add an extra layer of privacy to shared folders by keeping them invisible in the web browser. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open the command prompt window and enter the command ipconfig to check the IP address of the computer on which we will create the shared folder. The next step is to create a new folder, this folder that we will share. Go to the location where you want to create the folder. Right-click in the empty space, select New, and then choose Folder. And name the folder with the name you want. After that, I will prepare the folder for your sharing. Right-click on the folder and select Properties. From the Properties window, click the Sharing tab. Then click on Advanced Sharing. At the top, select the Share this folder option to enable sharing on this folder. In the settings, type the name you want for the shared folder, where you can change the name to the name you want, meaning that the folder is called Work, for example, but when you share the folder, it has another name. So type the name you want followed by the $sign. This symbol makes the folder hidden from the network browser. This is very necessary to hide the folder, and no one can access it unless they know the nickname of the folder you shared. It will show you the path through which you can access the shared folder. You can keep this path. With this step, the folder sharing on the network is complete. After that, we will learn how to access the hidden shared folder from another computer. This computer must be connected to the same network. Open this computer, and at the top in the address bar, enter the path of the shared folder as it appears in front of you on the screen. You can enter this path in the Run window. You will be asked to enter your network credentials. Enter the username and password of the computer sharing the folder. By clicking OK, the hidden shared folder should now be available. I test permissions on the shared folder. Create a new folder, for example. Here you must configure the required permissions for the shared folder so that the user can use this shared folder. By returning to the computer from which we created the shared folder, open the properties of the shared folder. Click on the Sharing tab, then click Advanced Sharing. Click on the Permissions button and configure the desired permissions. Select Full Control to allow users to create and delete files from the shared folder, then click on the Apply button and OK. Back to the computer from which you want to access the shared folder. Create a new folder to test the permissions. The folder has already been created. This is a simple and effective way to keep some shared folders private and secure on your network. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you find it useful in learning how to create and access a hidden shared folder on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like it. I also hope you subscribe to my channel for more useful lessons and tips. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for your time, and I will see you in the next video.